Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, let's get it, let's go, go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's get it, let's go. Yeah, yeah.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make these really easy horseshoe crosses. They're perfect if you are new at welding and just want like a simple project to make and maybe even sell them. They don't take much time and they look really nice, so I will show you how to make this. And also, you don't have to buy a ton of materials either, because all you're going to need is a horseshoe and these nails, which I probably should get more of. And that's it. And you need something that you are able to cut these, because you need to cut it one shorter, unless you have two different sizes of these nails, which I do not. So I'm going to cut it. So you're going to take one of these nails, cut about, I don't know, maybe a ½ inch off of it. So you are going to need some tools, not really many. I'm just going to take this and I'm going to cut it really quick. But I have made probably around, I don't know, maybe 6 of these, and you could probably get like 6 of them done in an hour. No, you could probably get more than that too if you have them all set up and ready. Okay, y'all, I went ahead and I cut this really quickly. So here we go. Now you have this shorter nail, that one. So you're gonna have 2 sizes of nails. If you have 2 sizes of nails already, then you don't have to cut anything, but it's gonna look like this. So this is gonna be the cross that's gonna be in front. So like this, it's gonna be like this, not this side. So if it's looking like this, you're gonna flip it over and you're gonna weld it like this. And you're gonna weld it both sides, and I'll show you what to do. So go ahead and weld this. I am currently using gasless flux for it, which does work great for this, I think. You don't need gas or anything, and it's already set up, so I just decided to use this. So take your time and get this like how you want it. And now you're going to go ahead and tack that and then finish welding it really quickly. Alright, so I really quick welded 2 different ways you can weld the crosses together. The way that I prefer, and then another way you can do it. But this one's not very straight. Okay, but these are 2 ways you can do it. This is the normal way they do it, but I just thought I'd show you both ways. So now that you got that done, you guys can see it better. Take a horseshoe you want to use. If there's dirt and stuff, just make sure to make like a wire brush to it or something. This one's really not even bad, but anyway. Then you're gonna go ahead and just tack it on the back, kind of probably like, I just lay it on the table like this and weld it. Make sure it's in the middle. And that's it. After you're done, you can use a wire. You can like take a wire wheel to this and get it all cleaned up nice and shiny if you want. I kind of like a little bit of a rustic look, but it's kind of up to you, whatever you want to do. So let me go ahead and weld this really quick and I'll be back. Okay, I finished up this horseshoe cross. I just it first and then kind of finished up welding it. Make sure you tack weld it first, because otherwise the cross will end up crooked. But it's pretty much in the middle. It's not bad. So That is... There's two crosses. Thank you guys so much for watching, and anyway, peace out, y'all, and keep on welding.